Alright guys.
Cool.
This is the first day of my life. Think I would
That was just she was just making sure that the mic was working. She was a little concerned. So now we're actually going to start the song. Here we go.
Check. Test. 1, 2.
This is the first day of my life. Sir, I was born right in the doorway. But now the rains, everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. You're the first face that I saw. Think I was blind before I met you. But now I am, I don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. And so I thought I'd let you know. But these things take forever, I especially am slow. But I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home. Ooh. Remember the time you drove all night just to meet me in the morning? And I thought it was strange that everything changed. You felt as if you just woke up. And you said, it's the first day of my life. Glad I didn't die before I met you. But now I don't care, go anywhere with you, and I'll probably be happy. So if you wanna be with me, these things there's no telling, we'll just have to wait and see. But I'll be working for a paycheck, waiting to win the lottery. Ooh. Besides, maybe this time it's different. I mean, I really think you lie.